Hola amigos. Okay. Okay. I was trying to speak in Spanish, but it was not gonna work out. Honestly, I'm losing my Spanish, and there's a lot of background noise: the fan, the fish tank, the heater, and the jet or airplane. Yeah. So I was trying to be a joke, but it didn't come out as I thought that it was. I'm losing my Spanish. I don't speak Spanish that often anymore. I'm gonna watch more novelas, cause girl. Okay. So as y'all can see, I'm honestly really excited for this new video. I'm going to be showing you guys all the new growth in my collection. I'm really excited. A lot of people have this theory that I don't know, I agree to disagree. That some plants go dormant. Well, that all the plants go dormant. Some people say this. All the plants go dormant and fall in winter. I've been collecting plants for like I think 3 years, maybe 4 years, like 4 years, and I've seen active growth on a lot of my houseplants. Now, if they're outside, obviously because of the weather, you know, the temperature and the amount of sunlight they're getting. But inside, if you can mimic the summerish spring vibes, for example, if you can give them grow lights, even better if you can set them on a schedule, and then you have a heater running, and obviously you need a fan like nonstop. They should be good with consistent watering and fertilizer. Fertilize when you see active growth, not whatsoever, because you can actually kill a dormant plant if you fertilize it. I've done it and it was not pretty. There's a lot of stuff going on. I know we're not in winter yet, and hopefully my theory can be right, and I'll show you guys. You guys let me know. Let me know if you have seen active growth on your plants in winter, because I have seen active growth on a lot of my plants these past 3/4 years on winter. So it just depends on like if you can make them happy and give them warmth and light, or artificial light, which is grow lights. So yeah, I'm going to be taking you guys along my collection, showing you what is good, showing you all the active growth that is going on. Maybe it's the propagations that I'm also doing with y'all, or that I'm doing, but yeah, so let's just start. Alrighty, so here we are. I don't know if it's me, so my phone ended up cracking, like the back of my phone is like completely cracked. I got a new one, same day, literally AT&T insurance thingy, I think it's called Atrion. Like literally did an amazing job. But you guys, this one, oh my lord, she's just so pretty. And but why? And look, she's putting a new leaf. Look at the little baby. I want to chop it so bad. Then over here, but I'm not going to. I need to be patient. But Lord have mercy, would I love to have more of these. It's just so good and pretty. I always freak out of that scale, because at an angle, it might look like skull, but it's not. It's just damage. Pobrecita, the little plants. But look at this new leaf that's coming in. Oh my god. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, I guess we can start para acá. So this one, my Hamalinea, something like that, is finally putting out a new leaf. I've been stuck in this plant for so long, waiting for a new leaf, and like, she's finally giving me one. So I'm super duper excited. It's so pretty. Oh my god, look at that little new leaf. It's so pretty, guys. So as you can see, I haven't really seen growth on this one. Maybe there has been growth, but I don't really stalk it enough. I have a HOC which was putting out new leaves, but I don't see. You see how like that one's kind of dark? It has new leaves, and I'm gonna bug too. But that's it. This one, which is my philodendron Goldie Eye, is putting out a new leaf. Finally, I'm just so excited. And then my Aglaumina tricolor. I don't know about this plant, to be honest. Like, I struggle with it so bad. Like, I don't even know. But yeah, that's new leaf. I'm trying to see if it has a new leaf coming in. I'm trying to spin it. Okay, yeah, you can see a new leaf coming in, right? Do you see that? Do you see that? I'm not really that excited for that one. I think it's called Milk Confetti or Milk Splash, something like that, has been putting out a new leaf. Do you see that new leaf that's been coming in? Look at that. I want to see. I don't want to force it, but I want to see. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm just so excited for it to unfurl. I'm so proud of this plant. I know, like, I think Greengate has like had these on like 4-inch pots already, which is like double if not triple the size of this. But I don't know. If I do see it, I will get one, because I do want another one. But it's my little baby. It's my little baby that I got from the flea market. Oh, okay. And then we have more in the bottom, which also has active growth. But I'm gonna go like this, you know, like in order as much as I can. I have been waiting for this one, this alocasia, to put out a new leaf, but I don't see her getting pregnant. So we're gonna wait for that one. My anthurium, ooh, I don't think I have seen any new leaves coming in. Do you see anything that was really crispy? Oh, I think that's a new leaf, to be honest. Hold on. Damn it. I want to take this thing down so bad, but I kind of like it. I guess that makes feelings with it. It's kind of hard to like film stuff. I'm trying to see if I can. Okay, it does have some new leaves coming in. There's a little like hip over here. That's a new leaf, so that's kind of fun. And I thought I saw another one. No, it's just the one in the back. Okay. Okay. My orchid has been putting out a new leaf, which has been getting bigger and bigger and bigger. You see that? So pretty. This is a new leaf. This beautiful begonia, look at that. Gorgeous. Okay. My jade scindapsus is putting out some nice growth. My mom wants one of these, so I might need to chop her very soon to give her, I'm gonna try to root in sphagnum moss. So pretty, so pretty. And then in here, this is the Jasena. This is a new leaf, but it was from like last week. Still really, really pretty. Oh, my scindapsus splash, you guys. Do you see the new leaf? Finally. Oh, it's so goddamn pretty, guys. I love this scindapsus, but Lord, have I struggled with it. I almost killed it. This is from my cutting. I had like so many cuttings, and this is the only one that I have left. I think you can see a Syngonium leaf coming in. Yeah. A little skinny Syngonium slay. Oh, my philodendron coat has also been putting out some leaves. This is an old leaf from like last week. There's a new leaf over here. It's like in the background, or in the back. You can see a new one popping in. And then I think this is my philodendron violin. Some new leaves coming in. And then this beautiful, can I hit it with the light? Yes, I can. It doesn't look that good though. Variegated heartleaf philodendron. Oh my god, I don't know why she's in the back. I'm gonna move her to the front. We're gonna do a planters video after this one, and we're gonna move some plants around, water some plants. Okay, so now you can buy like a lot of like propagation stations and stuff like that, or containers. Taco Cabana, their bowls, they come with great packaging. Like the little package thing that comes with a little container, it's great for propagations. I love it so much. It's perfect to take node cuttings out of, like, you know, node cuttings and to root them in that thingy. But every time I go and get a bowl, they give me a different container. So I'm like literally at the point, I know, very dumb, like what I make my life very difficult sometimes. So I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree and buy some containers that are clear on top, like the foil ones. Those are also really, really good for propagations, because like I want to propagate a lot of plants, and I love propagating in sphagnum moss because it propagates faster and I can transition into soil a lot easier. So yes, super pretty. Look at that. Madly in love. My Brazil, I'm pretty sure has been putting out some new leaves. I don't really stock this plant. When I say stock, I mean because whenever I come to the plant room, I always like look at my favorites, and I always try to like find progress. But everything else, like I do see it every now and then to water it. But yeah, this is really, really pretty though. My Brazil's doing pretty good. And then Micans, Efi, spider plants, Efi. I mean, it is putting out like, you know, new leaves, but yeah. Brazil, peace lily, some Hoyas that I just bought from outside to inside. They need a lot of like, you know, some, what do you call it? Time, love, and care. Time, love, and care. TLC. And then this is a new leaf. Bird's Nest Fern is also putting out some new leaves coming in. Like, you see that? Yeah. Super duper fun. My variegated Hoya compacta is also putting out some new leaves. She's not looking so good. She wasn't really happy outside in the house because it was kind of neglected, like really bad. But yeah. And then this one, some people call it neon Syngonium. I was calling it a pink Syngonium because it's literally pink. But it does have some new leaves coming in. So that's really, really fun. It's kind of pretty. Do you see that? Look at that. The camera's not making it. It looks a lot pinker in person, but it's really gorgeous. This Hoya, look at this. Actually, I had it outside and it was getting sun stressed. So that's really, really pretty. You can see a little baby leaf and a burnt leaf. My very good Amaranta is looking great in the back with a new leaf coming in. Okay, what is this one over here? Oh, my horsehead philodendron. This is why, like, I love this little reefs and the net, kind of, but what I don't kind of like is this. It looks really pretty. I love how like the light hits it, but it makes it hard to inspect my plants and look at them, you know. But yeah, this is my silver sword philodendron, right? Silver sword. My Caladium magnificum is finally putting out some new leaves. Look at this baby. Syngonium still doing her thing. She looks amazing, but I haven't seen any new growth points. You can see where I chopped it. The little node thingy. She did all this by herself. Look at that. Oh, that is a light. So this is a new leaf. She was hiding it. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And then this one, I think I saw a new leaf. Yeah, you can see this para acá. Do you see that? Looks really weird, but those are new leaves. And then this one, oh my god. My Lemon Life Philodendron. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Just so pretty. And then the lower section, we have some more Lemon Life Philodendrons. Oh, my single that was propagating. She needs water. This one is my real philodendron, but I mean, she did put out a new leaf. Let's see it. It's kind of cute, right? I do want to chop it to make more because it's just one vine and I want to make it more bushy. This one, my golden Xanadu, put out this little baby over here. It's just its second recent leaf. Super pretty. Okay, so my red Amaranta is also putting out some new leaves. Look at this. Look at these straws. Oh my god. So pretty. And then my alocasias are finally doing something. I think all of them are. Well, not this one. I spoke too soon. Wait, I thought I saw something, but... Okay, this one is though. It's this one. You can see the little new leaf coming in. And then this other one was kind of like reddish. It's putting out that little new leaf coming in. Super pretty. I was gonna make sure these have water because I don't want them to dry out. So this is a new plant that I got recently. I think I only bought one plant, and even then, my boyfriend bought me this one. It's a dragon scale alocasia. Oh no, silver dragon. Okay, from Costa. And I liked it a lot. And when I found out that my other alocasias are doing super duper good, I was like, ooh, then let me just get another one. Let me just keep practicing and adding more to my collection. I did spray it with neem oil and some Mayor's dish soap. So that's where you see like the little stains, but so pretty. This is a new leaf. Wow. It's a really, really pretty one. It also has some, I think they call it acorns. You can see a little one right there. And then there's one para acá. And then there's a little small one coming para acá. So some people pull them out, but I think I want to leave it in there so it can get more bushy. I want that to happen. Then we have this girl. I think it's called Monstera something something. The name is really weird. I always forget it and it's just like way too, I don't know. But yeah, she's doing pretty good. A lot of growth points. Then my well-fed Sansevieria is almost done unfurling this beautiful leaf. Oh my god, I'm so proud of her. And she's putting out a little tiny one over here. Keep it Peperonia, Hope Peperonia. And then my Jesena Potos is just chilling over here, putting out these gorgeous leaves. It's getting a lot of light. I think that's why it's getting like really bushy really fast. But yeah. Alrighty, and this table, I think it's gonna be kind of hard to see, but my Hoya Wayeti is putting out some, you can see some mellies. I gotta spray again. She is putting out some new leaves. You can see that. Oh my god, look at that long one. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh yeah, Chelsea also putting out some new leaves. I think my Night Wizard is about to put out a new leaf. I don't know why, that looks kind of good. This one was reverting back. I don't know if I'm gonna. This was in the box for like a long period of time. I'm hoping that it's gonna go back to its variegated form, but we're gonna find out. Propagating some red marantas, the neon potos, Manjula neon potos. This one hasn't. I mean, it has this thing over here, but I haven't seen no new other than this one. It's a Hoya. I mean, it's a Syngonium, and then this is kind of cute. It's a new leaf. It's still blooming. Does this one have any new leaves? Okay. I did miss one at the very top. This is this one. Look at that. Super pretty. My Paisley is also putting out. She's always putting out new leaves. You can like see one there, one right there. That looks really pretty. It's also blooming. She's always like putting out flowers. And I mean, a lot of my vining plants are like, you know, putting out new leaves. This is my global green. Kind of cute, right? And then my Scandapsis acá arriba. You can see that one. And yeah, I mean, there's some more stuff around the apartment. Like in the balcony, my Fiddle's putting out new leaves. Look at this pretty leaf over here. My Calathus in the kitchen are putting out new leaves, and also the Manjula. But this is just for the plant room. So y'all let me know if you guys want to see like a complete, all the new growth in the apartment. But I want to show you guys in the plant room because I will be adding more plants para acá. Getting it ready for the fall decor and the holidays. So yeah. Alright, plenty friends, that is basically it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this new YouTube video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up to let me know. Sending positive vibes to each and every single one of you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!